This is Sven Frisell with a rentals team of Compass in Florida. Top 5 reasons to use a realtor to purchase a home. Number 1, experience. Buying and selling homes requires a lot of different forms, reports, disclosures, and knowledge that your realtor will possess. Realtors are trained and experienced to help you negotiate the best deal possible without encountering costly delays or mistakes that can cause a lot of headaches. Also, real estate has its own language with many acronyms and esoteric jargon. Need to check the MLS for a quick CMA? A realtor is fluent in this language and can be your translator. Number 2, superpower searching power. The internet is an incredible tool. A person can find just about anything with a few keystrokes. With many different sites like Zillow and Realtor, why would anyone need a realtor anymore? Because realtors have access to even more listings than are on those sites. We will have the most up-to-date information, as well as knowledge of neighborhoods and properties not actively advertised. A realtor will be able to provide you with superior information. Realtors know the ins and outs of all the neighborhoods and will be able to help you find the perfect home for your budget. Number 3, realtors are dynamic negotiators. We have experience in buying and selling homes and can take the emotions out of the negotiating process. Especially in today's hot market, there is a lot of competition, including all cash offers, multiple offers, and cutthroat tactics. You want an acute and professional negotiator. It's not just what you will make or pay if you were in the market. The negotiations will also cover inspections, closing days and costs, contingencies, and many other vital steps in ensuring you get the best possible deal. Number 4, realtors are connected. We might not know everything, but we make it our mission to know just about everyone in our town who can possibly help in the process of buying or selling a home. Mortgage brokers, real estate attorneys, home inspectors, home stagers, interior designers, they are all in our network and we are happy to connect you. Number 5, realtors adhere to a strict code of ethics. Not every real estate agent is a realtor. To be a realtor, you must be a licensed real estate salesperson who belongs to the National Association of Realtors. The NAR is the largest trade group in the country. The reason it makes a difference is that realtors are held to a higher standard of ethics than licensed agents, and we must adhere to a code of ethics. These are the top 5 reasons that you should use a realtor. I'm Sven Frisell with a rentals team of Compass, Florida in Vero Beach. My contact information is below. Have a great day.